Module 1, Objective 16, illustrate how DNA and RNA differ, both in terms of structure and function, and list the types of RNA found in the body. DNA and RNA consists of nucleotide chains. In DNA, these chains are called complementary strands, and there's a pair of them. They're held together through hydrogen bonding between the opposing nitrogenous bases, and the molecule forms a twisting structure called the double helix. We'll see a picture of that in just a minute. In RNA, you find a single chain of nucleotides, and there's three main types of RNA found in the cell. You have messenger and transfer RNA. These both play a role in protein production. And then you have ribosomal RNA, and ribosomal RNA is actually part of the ribosome itself. So it's part of the structural ribosome. Complementary base pairs. We find in DNA that purines always pair with pyrimidines. In fact, anytime you have an adenine, and here we have one right here, it's always found paired to thymine. So A and T go together, and C and G also go together. They're also complementary base pairs. So anytime you have a C, you're going to find a G. Here you have a G, and it's going to be paired with a C. So that is what complementary base pairing, the fact that adenine always binds or bonds to thymine, and that cytosine always bonds to guanine. Please remember that in RNA, uracil replaces thymine. So here we have that double helical strand found in DNA. You can see that the rungs of the ladder are the nitrogenous bases, while the rails of the ladder include both the sugar as well as the phosphate group. Remember that the nucleotide, or the building block of nucleic acids, consists of a nitrogenous base, a sugar, and a phosphate group. So if you unwind the DNA molecule, it pretty much looks like a ladder, where the rungs of the ladder, right here, consists of the nitrogenous bases, and then the handrails consists of the sugar and the phosphate group. This table compares RNA and DNA, and it's a pretty good summary. Remember, the sugar differs between these two molecules. In DNA, you have deoxyribose, and RNA, you have ribose. The nitrogenous bases differ only in terms of this last one, where RNA contains uracil and DNA contains thymine. In terms of size, RNA, they vary from fewer than 100 nucleotides to up to 50,000, while DNA, you find always more than 45 million. So DNA molecules are considerably larger. The shapes of the molecule, you have this double helical shape in the DNA, and then the shape varies for RNA. And then lastly, function. DNA stores genetic information that controls protein synthesis, so it is basically the recipes for protein synthesis, while RNA performs roles in protein synthesis. So they're going to have some intermediary roles in protein synthesis.